how I'm looking at it. I could be wrong, and if I'm wrong, I'll address that the next time I make a video. Don't offer to help me on YouTube where I have a bigger platform and people can see my content. I don't want to say to make yourself look good. Hey YouTube, it's your girl, came back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by title, I'm going to be giving you guys a 1 week update, kind of sort of, about this wig from Nadula hair. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning supporter, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, help me grow. Help me grow, please. Please. I try to make good content, you know, and I feel like it's not reaching people. So help me grow. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. So it's not really like a 1 week update. I'll link the video down below where I unbox it and install it. It's a long video, but I think all the information that I give you guys in that video is, I don't want to say like necessary, but like I try to give you guys good, helpful information to make an informed decision. So there's a lot of details in there if you want to watch through it, but towards the end you'll hear why there's no 1 week update on this wig. So I guess Nadula decided to watch my video. So they reached out to me, right? And let me see if I can find it. But after that video, I took this wig off because, as we just saying, I could tell that the wig was going to be trouble given. And I have damaged hair, and the hair you will never be able to know it's damaged. Like, I know it's damaged, and the hair doesn't behave like this behaves, not in a bad way. And I'm gonna own it, and maybe I owe them an apology. So let's start there. I know, right? But I see nothing wrong in, if you're wrong, to admit that you're wrong. So I think I might have been wrong. Kind of. We're going to get into that. So when I watched the video, so you guys saw me put up like little clips of the girl who was wearing this wig. And I try not to watch anyone else's video so that I can form my own opinion. Like, I might watch it to see, like, not watch it, but like watch like little clips of it to see like, okay, am I gonna like this for myself, like that sort of thing. But I'm not watching it to where I'm like looking at your reviews so that I can base my, like, I like it for it to be unbiased. That's what I'm trying to say. So in me doing that, I just watched like a gist of the video, like a small portion of the video, and didn't realize that she used a diffuser, that's what it's called, to shrink the curls. And she also spiraled it around her finger, because I'm like, why does her wig look different from my wig? So it could have been 18. I still don't think it was 18 inches. That's just my opinion. I think it might have been like 16. But she did do extra things to the wig rather than just like applying like product just to get it to show the curl pattern. So I'll say that apology portion is on me. You know, maybe if I had tried everything that she did, I might have gotten the results that she got. So no way to know, because I've already cut the wig. So that's where the apology portion comes in. Now, I did co-wash this in silicone mix. I don't feel as though, I know it's an AliExpress wig, and I know they coat the hair, and at some point in time the coating is going to wear off and the hair is going to act up, but I just don't feel as though it should have happened after technically the first wash. So I co-washed it once with Tresemme. As you guys know, I use that pretty much on all of my hair that I have, AliExpress, non-AliExpress, and it works fine. But when I use it on this, it kind of felt like, I don't know, it changed the texture. The hair wasn't smooth. Like, I then I kept spraying water next. I'm like, all right, I'll spray water, the curls will come back, but it never got that silkiness back. Now I use silicone mix, and it does feel like it did kind of, sort of, not as smooth, but it's close to what it was when I first got it. I am still disappointed that the texture, like the softness, changed after one wash. But it's, I don't know if it's gonna work. We're gonna try it out. I'm not gonna install it because I'm not going through, you guys saw, like, I'm so mad. Like, with the exception of the baby hairs, because I'm still working on that, but I killed that install, like killed that install. And for me to have to take it off like right after I installed it was, one, upsetting, and two, disheartening, because like everything about the install came out flawless. and then come to find out that the hair itself wasn't cooperating, so I had to take the wig off. Like, no. So let's get into what Nadula said. They said, "Dear, this is Nadula customer service. May I have your order number? We will try to solve your problem." And I pretty much said, "Good day. Thank you for your willingness to help. I've already reached out asking for assistance." Now, the reason that I didn't want to provide them with my order information right then and there under the comments in my YouTube is because, again, you guys always hear me say on my channel, I want to have the same experience that you guys have, because if I'm going to recommend something to you, I want to know that you're going to get what I've gotten. I don't want you to get something different because I'm on YouTube and you're not. Like, you don't have a platform to be able to speak up. So for that reason, I didn't give them my order information. I had already reached out to them via email. Had already gotten the same nonsense runaround that I get. Now, I'm not certain if after this communication with them under my YouTube, they decided to give me something and kind of work with me. I'm not mad. Well, I am mad because I did spend almost $200 on this because they gave me $10 back. I'm going to get into that. Because I knew, like, I had to take some of the blame on myself. Like, I knew this wasn't going to be a good wig, but I still decided to give it, like, the benefit of the doubt, try it out. Maybe it'll work out. Not doing that any longer because I'm funding all this stuff for my channel. They didn't give this to me, well, unless I've specified. No one gave this to me. So when I'm spending my money, if I feel as though what I spent my money on is not going to be worth it, I'm just going to send it back, because I'm still a customer. Like, I'm not doing that. So then they said, "Okay, sorry for making trouble. We will try our best to optimize the product to avoid such problems. If you need assistance, please feel free to let us know." I said, "Okay, we'll do." And again, I'm not gonna just take the easy route. It can reach people, if you guys know what I mean, that can have an impact on your business. No, my email is anonymous. It is not the same email that's associated with my YouTube. So if you guys aren't willing to help me as a regular consumer, then you're just only willing to help me because you want to look good. All right, so let's get into the video. Let's get into the email that I sent them before they clearly watched my video. But I just said order discrepancy, and they said, "Hi dear, may I know what's wrong with your order, dear? Hope you reply." The order is what I ordered, but it's not what's advertised. I'll link it below. But the video says it's an 18-inch wig. Clearly the wig it was 14 inches, which again, like I said, I apologize, because it could have been. I still don't think it's 18 inches, but it definitely probably wasn't 14 inches, just based on that video where, you know, if you guys have ever seen videos where natural hair girls use diffusers, it does shrink your curls up to make the curls a little bit bigger. So there would really be no way to tell if it would have looked the way hers looked unless I did that method. Now again, I don't think it was quite 18 inches. I think it was probably 16 inches, but it definitely wasn't 14. So that's my bad. So I said I didn't need the wig that long, so pretty much I paid for a longer wig and had to cut it. So I asked them back for the difference, which I think was like $49. Please check, and if you think it's not okay, we can help you return it. Please make sure the hair is in good condition. Now I'm glad that they offered a return. I was sent the right hair, but the hair in the video I sent you, the wig looks shorter. So had I known that wasn't the length I was getting, I would have ordered a shorter wig. I would like a refund of $49.05 for the difference in cost of the shorter wig, please. Now mind you, and again, this is just how I'm looking at it. I could be wrong, and if I'm wrong, I'll address that the next time I make a video. Don't offer to help me on YouTube where I have a bigger platform and people can see my content. I don't want to say to make yourself look good, but to make yourself look good, but in the email on the back end where no one's seeing it and you think I'm a regular customer because I'm using a different email, don't have that same energy. So I said, I'm sorry dear, but we are not able to do that. It's correct length. We can help you return the wig. If you don't want it, please keep the hair in good condition. So then I said, I've already cut the wig and the lace, so I don't think returning it is still an option. In the moment, because I realized I was wrong, I probably should have just been like, oh, I don't want a $10 coupon, because I'm not buying anything from you guys again, because not just because of the length, but because of the hair quality. Like, the hair quality shouldn't change after one wash. Like, that to me is crazy. So that's part of the reason why, like, I don't know if I'm gonna do like a 1 week update on it, because I'm done. Like, I don't go anywhere. I'm not about to go out looking crazy. It's just not happening. So they said, thanks for your understanding. I've applied to return you $10 refund. You should receive that within 3 to 5 working days. And this is a $10 discount code. Like, and we've gone over this before, and I don't want to say like I don't like mentioning other companies and some companies' videos, but I think again it's relevant. Like Hair Vivi did the same thing. Don't offer me a coupon code. I'm not happy with the purchase that I already made from you guys. Now you're going to give me a discount code to spend more money with you. If you're going to give me money back, give me money back. Don't say, oh, well, I'm going to give you money back so that you can spend it with me. Forget the length thing. Like, I'll own that. You know, there's no real way. I still don't think it was 18 inches. I think it was 16 inches. But the hair texture changed after the first wash. I'm not buying any more hair from you. I'm not buying any more hair from you. Keep it. You're not getting no more of my money. I'll wear it for a week and then we'll see how it goes. Or should I say I'll attempt to wear it for a week and see how it goes. And if it doesn't go, then I guess I'll just give it away to somebody once I'm done. But yeah, I'm not. I am still going to do hair reviews. I feel like I'm talking in circles. I am still going to do hair reviews for you guys. But if I get a wig and the wig or the hair doesn't feel good, I'm going to send it back. But I'm also, I don't want to say going to be looking for like affordable hair companies that'll offer you better quality hair. Like this hair, and I mentioned it in my Phil and Day vlog, is from Jackie's Hair in New York. Her hair is affordable and the hair is good. Like I over process this. You guys know I over process like on a regular. Can't tell. Hair looks good, moves good. Like if I didn't tell you I damaged it, you wouldn't know. But like I mentioned to a friend, I'm low-key over all the AliExpress hair and some of the AliExpress hair companies because I feel like they don't value my business. Just the manner in which I've been spoken to, not by Nadula, because they were pleasant, so I'm not going to be mad at them, but the manner in which I've been spoken to by some hair companies is not okay, and you want me to spend money with you. If you're going to offer me something as a customer, let it be a legit offer. Don't say, well, I'm going to give you this so you can spend. Like, no, that is, like, I don't know how many more times I can say it. That's not a good customer service option. Do not tell me to spend more money with you when I'm already not satisfied. That doesn't work. But not gonna get too much into a rant. That wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.